State Minister for Karamoja Affairs Agnes Nandutu has appeared at the Anti-Corruption Court in Kololo before Magistrate Esther Simwe to answer charges that compelled her surrender herself to police at CID in Chibuli on Tuesday this week.
Please, Your Worship, I'm David Samunyu. I'm a Chief State Attorney, hearing together with Mr. Jonathan Mwaganya, our Chief State Attorney, here for the state. My land colleagues, Mr. Nanda Wamkota.
Nandutu was charged with one count of dealing with suspect property. However, pleaded not guilty to the alleged offense.
Agnes, a female adult issued by tribe, a woman member of Parliament for Bududa and Minister of State, Karamoja Affairs, the Office of the Prime Minister, and a resident of Nandutu, Seta in Mukono. You're charged with dealing with suspect property, contrary to Section 21 of the Anti-Corruption Act, and the particulars are the following. At Nandutu Agnes, between the month of June and July of 2022, at the Office of the Prime Minister's stores in Namambe and in Kola Sale, Buranyi Parish, in Mukono Municipality, Mukono District, dealt with government property being 2,000 repainted iron sheets of Gauge 28 marked Office of the Prime Minister by receiving and holding the said iron sheets, which you had reason to believe were acquired as a result of loss of public property, an offence under Section 10(1) of the Anti-Corruption Act. Have you understood the charges?
Your Worship, I have understood.
Is it true?
It's not true.
It's said that State Minister Nandutu dealt with government property, to which 2,000 iron sheets.
It's not true.
Prosecution led by David Bisamunyu informed court that investigations in the matter are complete and asked court to commit the accused person to the High Court.
Your Worship, inquiries in this matter are complete. I have instructions from the DPP to have the accused person committed to the High Court for trial.
Bisamunyu tendered into court the summary of the evidence to be used against Nandutu regarding how she obtained the said iron sheets.
That in June 2022, the Minister for Karamoja, Honorable Kitutu, called the accused on phone and informed her that she had given her 2,000 iron sheets purportedly to help the victims of landslides whose houses had been swept away. The offer of 2,000 iron sheets was from the balance of the 9,000 initially made for the official launch in Moroto. The accused accepted the offer and confirmed the availability of the iron sheets with Abao Joshua, the personal assistant to Honorable Kitutu. The accused on 23rd of June availed 750,000 for transport and sent her political assistant, Evelyn Bazilu, to OPM stores in Namave to pick the iron sheets. That Bazilu then got a motor vehicle, registration number UAZ 347B, and picked 2,000 iron sheets from the OPM stores. Bazilu signed a delivery note to confirm that she had received the iron sheets on behalf of the accused person, and the iron sheets were released from the stores by an assistant inventory manager, OPM. That Bazilu first took 2,000 entries to her home in Wakiso, where the accused went and confirmed that they were available and actually totaled to 2,000. But in July 2022, the accused called Bazilu and instructed her to get transport and loaders to have the iron sheets taken to the accused's home in Seta. That the 2,000 iron sheets were transported and delivered to the accused's home and received by her farm manager. That on the 24th of March 2023, the accused was interviewed and in a plain statement confirmed the above events and directed the police to her farm to recover the 2,000 iron sheets. That on the 24th and 25th of March this year, the Evidence Response Team under the Department of Criminal Identification conducted a search at the farm belonging to the accused, located at Kola Sale, Bulwani Parish, Ikono Municipality. And the search was conducted in the presence of the farm manager, local authorities, and the area police from Ikono. The accused later joined the team and signed on both the search certificates, and the team recovered a total of 1,679 sheets from the accused's farm. The accused failed to account for the whereabouts of 383 missing iron sheets, and the prosecution shall, among others, tend and rely on the following documentary exhibits: the terms and conditions of appointment letter of the accused, dated 30th of June 2021, a report of the recovery of exhibits, the OPM delivery notes, the internal memo from Ababo Joshua, a ledger book extract, a report of the Government Analytical Laboratory, specimen signatures and handwriting, PF28, search certificates, accounting warrant requests, budget comparison report, third quarter release for the financial year 2021-2022, budget for disarmament process in Karamoja, an internal memo dated 23rd of February 2022, the emergency budget support for Karamoja, a warrant report for Karamoja, Government of Uganda payment advice from Bank of Uganda, approved warrant report dated 5th of April 2023, an internal audit report dated 20th of February 2023, and the Auditor General's report, and any other documents required. The accused is hereby committed to the High Court for trial. The next convening session.
The same evidence has been read by Magistrate Asimwe, and she committed the accused. However, the accused, through her lawyer Charles Wamukota, intended to apply for bail, but prosecution objected.
What from my client is that this kind of prostitution, which the state has conducted today, is unfair. It was deliberate by the state to fail the applicant accused seek bail before you, yet you had this jurisdiction to grant, to entertain bail and grant the bail.
Magistrate Esther Asimwe adjourned the matter to 3rd May 2023 formation.
Nze byalabikkiriza mbatizibwa dda n'omuliro. Okubatizibwa n'omuliro mukimanyi, naye ndi mugumu naye kyembuuza kiri kimu. Lwaki Nandutu Agnes bamutwala mu kooti ate nga lowa kooti erina mandate y'okuhandolinga omusango guno. Kati banange mbasiibudde.
Client bail, and as you saw, there were sureties in the court. Honorable ministers, honorable other members of parliament, they were in court. Unfortunately, what happened is they committed our client to High Court. That means that this court becomes functus official. You cannot have jurisdiction over that matter again. But to our client, she thinks this was deliberate to fail her get bail because this court has powers to grant bail. But what the prosecution did, it was deliberate to fail her to get out. And we had already served them with the documents we are going to rely on an adverse. One of the crucial documents was about her health condition, which does not allow her to be in custody for long. So they are all aware of this, but they have done it. All what we are going to do is to go back, file a formal application in the High Court and get her bail in the High Court.
What is she suffering from?
She was diagnosed with a clot, and the same effect has continued, and there is a specialized treatment she's on, which cannot be found in the prison. Even the nature of the mattress she uses, orthopedic mattress, that is the recommendation of the medical doctors, cannot find it in prison. And other requirements, if you look at the detailed report, and the detailed report is by the doctor from police, which we serve. You cannot know how long the trial will take. You may quicken expediting the investigation, but you cannot know how the prosecution will take in the High Court. Yes, you all are aware that High Court is also a busy place. You cannot say that you will be given a priority over others. So the likelihood that it will also take long is there. Yes.
Thank you, Council. But Council, you can speak some Luganda. You can mix with the...
Court is a prosecution esazeewo emutwale bamutwayingire mu High Court. So court yawansi ebadde tesobola kuwuliriza bail ye kubanga court prosecution egambye nti balwadde kuwuliriza omusango. So kati tugenda ku applyinga mu High Court for bail.
Omuntu yemu
n'obuyinza obumuwa bail ina obuyinza obuwuliriza omusango naye prosecution esazeewo nti bamutwayingire mu court enkulu. So tekimenya mateeka, so tugenda ku applyinga mu court enkulu.
Erinnya
Amfred Mwesigi.
Agnes Nandutu was remanded at Ruzila Government Prison. State Minister for Karamoja Affairs Agnes Nandutu becomes the third minister to be arraigned in this court over the mismanagement of iron sheets that were meant for Karamoja region.